morning, dear children. Let us start with our next class from the chapter Triangle and its Properties. In the previous video, we discussed about the angle-sum property of a triangle, which states that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That was the property. Now we are heading towards the third property of a triangle, which is triangle inequality property. First of all, we should know the meaning of inequality. I hope you know the meaning of equality. Equality means equal. If you remember simple equations, they are equations. Why we call them equations? Because we put LHS equal to RHS and it consists of that equal sign. Hence, we call it as equations. Similarly, equality means they must be equal. Equality, for example, I am having markers with me. This side having 3 markers. This side also I am having 3 markers. What is this? This is called equality. But if I remove one marker from here, what it becomes? It becomes inequality. Why? Because here 3 markers are there, here 2 markers are there. This is what inequality. Inequality means not equal. Not equal. Not equal means how to judge not equals. Let's study about that. Can I say, observing this, we are having 3 markers this side and we are having 2 markers this side. Can I say the number of markers on this side is greater than the number of markers on this side? Yes or no? Here 3 markers are there, here 2 markers are there. Now I did something. Have you observed what happened? Now can I say the number of markers on this side is greater than the number of markers on this side? So what I'm talking about? I'm talking about something called, I've used one word called greater. Or in another sense, can I say the number of markers on this side is less than the number of markers on that side? Yes, we can use either greater or less. Great or less. So hence in equality we have 2 words, greater than or lesser than, or indeed smaller than. You can use any of these 2. So inequality means either something will be greater than something or either the other thing will be lesser than something. So greater and lesser is 2 different concepts in inequality. I hope I am clear with the word inequality. Inequality means not equal, and not equal means either something is greater than another, either something is lesser or smaller than another. This is what we have to do. Let's see what is the property. Now what to do with this, with triangles. Let's see. It states that the sum of the lengths of any 2 sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Very important. It states that if we take any 2 sides of a triangle, any 2 sides, and will sum up, then the sum must be greater than the third side. This is what the rule is. It means if I talk about this particular figure in triangle ABC, can I say AB plus BC is greater than AC? This is the rule. This is what it states. Secondly, now I will be taking BC and AC. BC plus AC must be greater than the third side, AB. Another combination. Now I want AC and AB. So AC plus AB is greater than BC. This is third one. Any other possibility? So we have 3 possibilities. This 2 sum must be greater than this. This 2 sum must be greater than this. This 2 sum must be greater than this. Again, this 2 side sum must be greater than this. This 2 side sum must be greater than this. And this side sum must be greater than this. Clear? Now, let's take an example. If I say this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. I have taken this side. 5, 6, 7. Let's prove it. Now, AB plus BC is greater than AC. Let's check. What is the value of AB? 5 centimeter. What is the value of BC? 6 centimeter. What is the value of AC? 7 centimeter. 5 plus 6, 11 centimeter, which is greater. It means yes, it's true. Next, BC, 6 plus 7 is greater than 5. Yes, 13 is greater than 5. This is also true. Next, AC means 7 plus 5 is greater than 6. 12 is greater than 6. Again, this is true. But do you think what we are getting from it? It means if this property is not satisfied, the triangle will not be formed. The triangle will not be formed. Let me make it 13 centimeter. Now let's prove it. 5 plus 6, because now AC is 13. So do you think we are getting this situation? No, we are not. Hence, even if one single condition is not satisfied, we cannot get a triangle. We cannot form a triangle. So this is very important condition. The sum of two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. Even if one situation is not happening, the triangle will not be formed. Do remember, this is very important. So clear with this? Now let's have, if we are talking about sum, we'll be talking about the difference also. Yeah, let's see difference. What is the condition of difference? The difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Is less than the third side. What do you mean less means? Less means less. Less in one context. Here one, I am not having any marker. Who is less? This is this because 0. Less means lesser, small quantity, right? So let's have it. Let me have a triangle again. ABC. Let's see what are the condition. Closed figure. Do remember closed figure. Let's have the condition. What conditions we are getting for this? Now in triangle ABC, can I say the difference means AB minus BC less than AC because less than. Now BC minus AC is less than AB. BC minus AC is less than AC. Now AC minus AB is less than BC. Again we are having three conditions. So these three conditions must be satisfied to form a triangle. Let's see. Let's have it. But let me have something because I want, you should not get something like lesser amount. So I want it to be like greater. So AB minus BC. AB is what? And BC is minus 7. So lesser than 9. 1 is lesser than 9, hence proved. Next, BC minus AC. BC is 7, AC is minus 9. Lesser than 8. So minus 2 is less than 8. Yes, again proved it. Yes, proved. Next, AC, which is 9, AB is 8, less than 7. 1 is less than 7. Again proved. So this is also true. So hence, this triangle exists. This triangle exists. Now let me make it, this is also 8. Now tell me what to do in this case. This is also 8. So 8, 8, 0, 0 is less than. This again proof. 8 minus 1 minus 1 is less than 8. Again proof. Here 8, 1 is less than 8. Again is proof. And which is this triangle? Can you name this triangle? Two sides are equal. Yes, it's an isosceles triangle. And do you know that in isosceles triangle, two opposite angles are also equal. Do remember this. Two opposite angles are also equal. Clear with inequality? Any doubt? Now let's move on to exercise 6.4. We'll do few questions only. We'll not do the complete exercise. I have divided the exercise in two parts. Let's see first question. Is it possible to have a triangle with following sides? Exercise 6.4 on page number 126. Exercise 6.4, page number 126. Let's see. Is it possible to have a triangle with following sides? Let's take 2, 3 and 5 and all are in centimeters. So let's do it. Let's sum up. 2 plus 3 less than 5. But what is happening? 5 is less than 5. Do you think it is correct? No. Triangle is not formed. Even if they are equal, that is also not the condition. Condition it must be greater than. Sorry. Sum must be greater than. Sorry. So greater than sum will come. Not possible. 5 is greater than 5. 5 is equal to 5. Triangle is not formed. Next part. 3, 6, 7. We need not to check. Even if one fails, triangle will not be formed. Let's check. 3 plus 6 is greater than 7. Yes, 9 is greater than 7. Let's take next combination. Now we'll take 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is greater than 3. 13 is greater than 3. Again, correct. Now let's take 3 and 7. 3 and 7 is greater than 6. Yes, 10 is greater than 6. Hence, this is a triangle because all the three conditions are true. Clear? Next. Third part. 6, 3 and 2. Okay. 6 plus 3 is greater than 2. We'll take this combination. 9 is greater than 2. Yes. Next combination. 3 plus 2 is greater than 6. Not possible. 5 is greater than 6. Not possible. So, triangle with such measures cannot be formed. So, not possible. Are we clear? So, you need to be very careful while choosing that part. Clear? So, next questions we'll be doing in the next video. Till then, you can have and revise this. Till then, take care and bye-bye.